This morning in Your Money, brought to you by Massey and Associates, prices on just about everything continue to rise. And this morning, certified financial planner Jeff Massey is here to talk about the stock market and how inflation can impact your portfolio. Welcome back, Jeff.
Always a pleasure to be here, Michaela.
Yeah, nice to chat with you. We are seeing these prices skyrocket, the inflation. How does something like that impact the stock market typically?
There's a lot going on with inflation. We had all of the stimulus money come out, so a lot of people had more money in their hands, and we had supply chain issues. That's a recipe for inflation. So that's what's been driving up the numbers for inflation in general. It's being widely reported that they're expecting the next one to be around 10% projected. That's a huge number, and that impacts everything that we buy day to day, also impacts our investments. Now, historically, the stock market tends to do okay during inflationary periods.
Really?
Because companies produce their products, they can raise their rates, right? Because everything is going up, so they raise their rates.
They have to make the adjustments just as much.
They make the adjustments, so it goes into their profit. So that helps the stock's earnings. Therefore, it can do okay during an inflationary time during the market. So overall, it can be pretty good. Not like fabulous, but pretty good. And of course, that's not a guarantee. You know, my crystal ball has been in the closet for a long time. You know? So yeah, we can't say that it will happen. But historically, more often than not, it improves the market.
Handleable, at least, that's for sure. Now, if we are thinking of stock market, sometimes that means we're thinking ahead, we're thinking of the future. How will that impact us that are looking forward there?
The most important thing is to have a long-range approach to your stock market investing.
Okay.
If you only need to put money aside for a few years, a couple of years, say you want to save for a house or something, not a good place to be in the market. Market is long-term. What's most important is time in the market, not timing the market.
What do you mean by that?
Well, people think that, well, I should sell everything now and I'll get back in later.
Sure.
No, it doesn't work that way. Nobody can time the market like that. If we could, we would all be wealthy.
Right.
It just doesn't work that way. It's just having a systematic approach, and we have a bias towards reducing risk. Simple, we like to split the portfolio in half, as an example. Half in the market, half in protected positions.
Okay.
If you do that, it just works out better, because if this side goes down 8%, this side doesn't go down, you're only down 4% on your total. That's not enough to get you all worked up.
Right, you almost have that cushion there. Is that something that you suggest we do now in terms of how we're handling our portfolio? I know we were looking ahead to the future and saying the stock market is almost like playing the long game. What do we need to do in the short game?
Well, a couple answers to that. One is, what is your age? And what's your target? So if you're planning for retirement, which is our specialty, you want to get less and less risky as you get closer and closer to retirement. But younger folks, if you're in your 40s, you should be in more growth-oriented stocks. The key is to keep putting money in. Many people make the mistake when we see volatility that they'll cut down on their retirement plan contributions. That's the wrong thing to do. If you're that far away from retirement, let the market work for you. And you'll invest consistently when the market's up and down. It's called dollar cost averaging, and it works to your benefit, and it helps you build your retirement plan that much bigger for the future. Nice
to know, Jeff. All great advice there. Thanks again for joining us.
My pleasure.
Plenty of helpful advice, and if you'd like, this segment was brought to you by Massey and Associates. If you'd like a link to their website, just visit ours, roadshow.com.